Creating invoices should just be a few clicks away. Except, for a lot of businesses, it's not. Using manual invoicing process can sometimes take days or even weeks to get approved, on top of everything else you're already handling for your repair shop. Introducing EMDECS Automatic Invoicing, your one-stop shop to generate quick invoices to review, approve, and send off to your customers with just a few clicks. Our powerful system helps you automate the invoicing process and maintain accurate records. With automatic invoicing, avoid human error, manual slip-ups, lost invoices, and potential delays, once and for all. Streamline the process like never before, from repair order to invoice, to most importantly, getting paid. We save you from hours of shuffling through the paperwork so you can quickly go back to what your business does best, getting vehicles back on the road. To find out more about how we can get you paid faster, visit BrightOrder.com and sign up for a free demo today.